to our channel. We are here at Sunflower Farm at Sanborn, New York. My husband is there and my best friend Rexy. Say hi! It's very pretty here. Look at, as you can see, it's all yellow because it's sunflowers. Okay guys, have fun watching.
Okay, Len and her friend Rexy decided to come out here to Sanborn, New York, to a big field full of sunflowers. Yeah. And they're not real tall ones, but they're happy ones. I guesstimate it's probably...
It's a hand.
Oh, that's a hand. Oh. You can sit on somebody's hand, sure.
Magandang umaga,
Yeah.
magandang hapon. Magandang
Look at that, yeah, okay, wow. A lot of flowers on there, yeah.
Hello Philippines!
Yeah.
Mabuhay! Mabuhay!
Mabuhay. I'm guessing this is about a 5-acre field, which is about 10 hectares. It's really a large, pretty good size. And you can see there's a lot of cars out there too. But anyways, my wife wanted to see it.
Smile!
Look at that.
Smiley.
There's a smiley face. Look at that.
It's
Peace.
smiley.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a smiley again.
Yeah. This is a place where they grow smiley faces. Yeah.
People should
It's a
be happy here.
smiley face capital of the world, I guess.
Oh, the sun.
Huh? Okay. So here we are at the sunflower field again, as usual. And it's normal for friends to hold hands, I guess. But it doesn't mean anything. But it means best friends, okay. I'm not used to that one. But anyways. Okay. So anyways, here in Niagara County, which is part of New York State, we're going into the sun. And so it looks a little bit dark. But if you get over there further, I'll hold it up and you can see.
Why the sunflower is facing there?
Wait a minute. Just did a 360. There.
Why the sunflower is facing against the sun?
Some of them, they like, because they're getting ready for the morning. They like, the sun's over there in the morning and they like to wake up to the sunshine.
Honey, here. What's
Yeah.
that? I like,
Yeah.
Okay. Diba ang ganda? Ayan. Napakaraming bulaklak. Andito kami ngayon sa laking farm ng sunflower. Dito sa Buffalo, New York. Mag-8 o'clock na dito ng gabi pero may araw pa din. Ayan. Dito na tayo. May bubuyog yata dito. Bubuyog. May bubuyog. Tika lang. Saglit. Honey, come on. Where are you, hon? Ayan. Dito lang tayo sa tabi-tabi. Hanap tayo ng magandang sunflower. Okay? Ito ba? Maganda? Tika lang. Naliligaw na yata. Saan ako napunta? Ang laki. Nasaan na kayang asawa ko? Saan ang asawa ko? Hello, honey. Where are you? Beautiful sunflower. Wow, look. Ganda.
They missed the ride, I guess.
Yeah, no more rides. Ayan. Super ganda. Yellow. Out.
Get stung.
I hope there's no jacket here. Yellow jacket. Ayan, ganda. Ang ganda ng bulaklak. Oh, what's that? Bee?
Oil out of the seeds of these.
There's a bee inside. Honey, look, there's insect here. Insect. Uy, ayan mo. Huh?
The honeybee flew away.
Oh, honeybee. They're okay?
No, that's what stung Amanda's toe.
They're not enemy? Malabo na. Malabo. Hindi na masyadong ano yung maliwanag kasi palubog na yung araw. Ayun. Ayun. Palubog na yung araw. Dapat pala pupunta kami dito na umaga. Kaso may pasok kami ni BFF Rexy. Ayan. Hindi namin ito kayang libutin. Ang laki. Next time magra-ride kami. Hi BFF! Okay ka lang dyan? BFF! Okay ka lang dyan? Okay, good. Ayan. Ganda. Magtatanim din kami someday doon sa aming bakuran kasi sayang naman. Ayan. Sayang yung aming space doon. Taniman na lang ng mga sunflower para mapakinabangan. Ayan. Ang daming honeybee para hindi kami kagatin ito. Kagatin. Masakit yata yung mga gat. Sakit mga gat. Ayan, ang ganda. Super ganda ng bulaklak. Ang ganda-ganda ng bulaklak. Ang bango-bango. Nasaan na kayo asawa ko? Saan na napunta? Dito na kami, nadilim na. Ayan. Ang ganda, oh. Hi.
Used to live, or how they used to live.
Touch it. The color. Oops, I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
The color changes in your whole. It's
Oh my
centered
God.
on the sun. Oh yeah.
Bip, bip. It's taller than us. Doon na tayo makita. Ang taas na, oh. Ang taas.
Ganda nun, no?
Ang taas. Hi, Bebe. Are you enjoying it?
Yes.
Thank you for going with us. Ayan. Gabi na. Hinabot na ng gabi. Ang dami pa rin tao. Ano?
Electric na ba?
Ito na yun. Saan na yung asawa
Ayun
ko?
ba?
Ayan. Ayan, si Honey. Ayan, we're here. Hi, asawa. We found you.
Want to take a picture? Hey.
No, I want to take a picture with Bip.
Hi, beep beep. And the big tractor. There's many big tractors. This Fluffy Daniel's farm. And then over there, more big tractors and a big combine. I don't know what kind of head that is. They call it, it's not a corn head, so I don't know how many rows of corn it would take to fit onto that. And I don't think it's a grain head, because it's different. But I could be wrong. So anyway, that harvests this corn and the sunflowers probably, and everything else. Soybeans, stuff like that, but I don't know if it's with that same attachment on the front. And that's, yeah. There's a lot of different things going on here.
Thank you and exit.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Good night. Thank you. Beautiful flowers. Yan, pauwi na kami. Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Have a good evening.
You too. I can go here every day. Hello guys, welcome back to our